Hello guys, welcome to Tech Demi. Today I am going to show you how to stop Windows 10 update. So guys, let's go how to do it. First of all, you have to press your Windows button from your keyboard. Then here is the setting option, update and security. But we can see here there is nothing to stop your Windows update, but we have to stop our Windows update. So let's go how to do it. Go to your start button and search with control panel. Here is the control panel, and you have to change the view by large icon. Here is the option administrative tools. Press here and go to service. Double click at service. After that, scroll down and you will find the Windows update, and see it's still running. Double press at Windows update and click stop. Wait for few seconds. Windows update is stopped, and if you want to permanently stop your Windows update, then you have to go startup type, disable. You disable your startup time, then won't update your Windows. After press apply and OK, and see that Windows update is disabled. Now your Windows won't update. After that, if you think you need to update your Windows, then you have to come in this area, press Windows update and change startup menu, change it manual or automatically, and apply. Start from the start menu. But for few seconds, it already started. See the Windows update status. The Windows is updating. It will update manually because of I changed the setting manual. So guys, have any question, please comments below. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.